Tammy Slaton, one of the most recognized faces from TLC's hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, continues to amaze fans with her unbelievable transformation and resilience after a lifetime of struggles with weight, health, and personal battles. Her life, once defined by hardships, immobility, and constant medical emergencies, is now taking a different course as she celebrates yet another huge triumph following her dramatic 500-pound weight loss. Viewers who have followed her journey from the very beginning can hardly believe that the Tammy who once relied on oxygen support and a wheelchair is the same person confidently walking, speaking with renewed energy, and stepping into an entirely new chapter of life. This ongoing transformation is not just physical but deeply emotional and spiritual, as Tammy redefines herself and proves her critics wrong in every possible way. From near-death experiences to moments when doctors doubted her survival, Tammy has shown the world the sheer strength of human will. Dropping more than 500 pounds is not a small feat, and it has opened doors that once seemed permanently closed. The reality star is enjoying mobility, independence, and freedom that she never imagined could be possible just a few years ago. Fans have witnessed her step into clothing styles she never dared to wear before, fit comfortably in public spaces, and even travel without the same limitations that previously dominated her existence. Each of these milestones is more than just a win, it's a profound moment of victory over the struggles that once threatened to consume her life. The triumph doesn't end at just physical health improvements. Tammy's confidence has skyrocketed. She is not only focusing on her own growth but also becoming a role model to thousands who struggle with obesity and feel trapped in a cycle of despair. Social media has become a powerful outlet where she proudly showcases her progress and engages with fans who derive inspiration from her story. From posting selfies in new outfits to sharing videos of her daily activities, Tammy demonstrates to the world that with determination and support, transformation is possible at any stage of life. But as her life continues to evolve, there is another huge triumph unfolding, her emotional stability and renewed sense of purpose. For years, viewers of 1000 LB Sisters have seen her battle with depression, loneliness, and insecurities. Now, her improved health has paved the way for brighter days. Friends, family, and loyal fans see a happier, lighter Tammy who has learned not only to take care of her body but also to embrace love, acceptance, and hope. The show has always focused on the bond between Tammy and her sister Amy, who herself has faced unique struggles as a mother and a woman seeking balance between her personal goals and family life. Their shared journey has kept viewers glued to their screens, but Tammy's drastic change has now become the focal point. Amy often speaks with pride about her sister's progress, acknowledging that seeing Tammy so committed has inspired her as well. Beyond the family connection, Tammy's triumph has also impacted the way TLC portrays weight loss journeys on screen. Her transformation has added depth to the narrative of 1000 LB Sisters, shifting the storyline from one of endless struggles to one of genuine hope and possibility. Fans who once worried about the potential cancellation of the show now eagerly anticipate new seasons to see more of Tammy's evolving lifestyle. Viewers feel emotionally invested, not only in the drama and conflicts but also in the authentic triumphs that prove weight loss stories can go beyond numbers on a scale, they can reshape lives. Tammy's health turnaround didn't happen overnight. Her story is rooted in years of ups and downs, with several moments when it seemed like progress would never come. Hospitalizations, bariatric surgery, and strict medical guidance played critical roles in her success. There were times when her health reached such dangerous levels that fans feared the worst. Yet, each scare became another motivator pushing her to reclaim her life. Today, that persistence is paying off in unimaginable ways. Another remarkable triumph has been Tammy's new ability to engage socially without the constant fear of judgment or physical limitation. Before, attending events or being seen in public was challenging, and often humiliating. Now, she enjoys more social freedom, whether it's traveling, dining out, or simply interacting with people in everyday life. Friends and supporters say her personality shines brighter than ever, with laughter and positivity replacing the bitterness that once overshadowed her demeanor. Of course, along with triumph comes public scrutiny, as Tammy is always under the spotlight. Some skeptics question the sustainability of her transformation, while others wonder how her newfound confidence will shape her future. But what stands out is Tammy's resilience, her insistence that she is not defined by her past or her critics. She openly shares her struggles, making her journey relatable, and reminding fans that perfection is not the goal, progress is. Her social media followers continue to grow, with her TikTok and Instagram platforms serving as both a diary and a beacon of inspiration. Many of her posts go viral, not just because of her celebrity status, but because they carry the raw honesty of a woman who refuses to hide her scars. Every picture, every video, every update becomes a testament to her journey from hopelessness to triumph. Another major factor in Tammy's current victory is her mental health improvement. For so long, obesity trapped her in a cycle of shame and depression. Professional therapy, coupled with support from family and fans, has allowed her to see herself in a new light. She now openly advocates for mental health, reminding her audience that losing weight is not just about physical numbers but also about addressing the emotional and psychological battles she had accompany the process. While many celebrate her accomplishments, Tammy herself remains grounded. She admits that the journey is far from over and that maintaining her progress will require lifelong commitment. This honesty is exactly why fans feel so connected to her story. Rather than portraying an unrealistic image of overnight success, Tammy highlights the daily struggles and victories, making her triumphs all the more powerful. As she stands today, more than 500 pounds lighter, Tammy Slaton embodies resilience, change, and triumph in the face of what once seemed impossible. Every update, every milestone, and every smile tells the world that life can change, no matter how dire it seems. Her life continues to evolve in ways that surprise even her most loyal supporters, and her latest triumph is just one chapter in what promises to be an ongoing saga of transformation. With her new lease on life, fans can only anticipate more victories ahead, whether it's in her personal growth, relationships, or newfound opportunities that her healthier lifestyle has made possible. The journey of Tammy Slaton is no longer just a reality TV storyline. It is an inspiring reminder of human strength, a motivational roadmap for anyone struggling with their own demons, and proof that it is never too late to turn your life around. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.